Everyone, today I'd like to show you this new tablet I just got. It's a brand called YUMKEM. This is a 10-inch tab with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of ROM. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So it's a pretty straightforward setup, as you can see here. Okay, this is the tablet itself. Now we're gonna fire it up and see. It's 10-inch, so it's pretty big. And it should meet all of the requirements. I use a similar one, for watching videos, reading ebooks. So I installed Amazon Kindle app and just read lots of books. So this one should have all the charging cables and stuff. So let's see. Yep, so there's a charging cable. There's an additional cable, which is a cool one. And what I like is that it's USB-C. Okay, now let's open this guy up. There should be also a manual here. This is pretty big manual, but I'm pretty sure it's in many languages. Now let's fire up the tablet and see the interface. So it's loading up. This is the front, and this is back. Looks really neat with the camera at the top. I like it. Really looking nice. Tablet PC. Well, let's wait for it to load. So it's a clean Android 11. I'm not gonna start a setup yet, so I just wanted to show you how it looks. I'm gonna be testing it further, and if there's any issue coming up, I'll let you know. Thank you for watching.